Well, in your opinion, what is the importance of maintaining that manufacturing base in America?
Well, believe it or not, we're still pretty good at making things here.
Yeah.
I think some people may think that all manufacturing has gone overseas, but certainly a lot has, and that's unfortunate. But let's talk about the great things that we do manufacture here in the United States and how we continue to build on that and grow it and still, make it a viable industry here in the U.S. And also, I talked about jobs. Also, let's kind of make it an exciting industry for maybe kids to want to get involved with. There's a lot of cool things going on now, from Manufacturing Works Day to other activities, to show that it is a great career for kids to consider. And I feel like we almost lost a generation of manufacturing talent